Igbo community! Igbo community!
Remember, yes. No, I'm not a bad. I'm not a bad. Right here, no. Right here, no. Right here, no. Did you them this thing? Okay, yeah, the map for the day. Why I call you? We are doing the voting already, so you need to write your name and then go and vote. So these are the 3 posts that are being contested. So you just tick the name of the person you want to vote. They get a election now, but she was able to election I sort of independent person that I don't know about the vote. I don't know why. I have 2 minutes. One I can need just me have the notification. Only what people do here.
Igbo community! Igbo community! Igbo community! One love, my people! Unity, we stand! Progress! Yes! Thank you!